Hello and welcome to this tutorial. This tutorial is going to show you how to change the sky in Photoshop. It's very easy, it's very quick, and it can be very effective. Now, sometimes in photography you can go out and you can see a beautiful, fantastic landscape, plenty of detail, plenty of texture like this in the foreground. This was taken down at Trefontan down in North Wales. Unfortunately, the sky was bland, there was nothing going on, it was grey, there was no atmosphere whatsoever. So this is a perfect way of showing you the tutorial by changing the sky in this landscape itself. Um, what I've done is on the second tab, I've gone onto the internet and I've downloaded a sky that I think would suit this particular image. Now, there's three things that you got to remember if you do this. Please make sure that it's copyright free. That is important because you get in a lot of trouble if you're using somebody's images and you haven't got permission. So if it's copyright free, then that means that you'll be able to use it no problem whatsoever. Number two, please if you see the name of the photographer on that photograph, please give him credit or her credit where credit's due. It's hard enough out there without people stealing pictures and putting them online. So it's nice to get a bit of credit for your work that you've actually done. And number three, enjoy it more than anything. Make sure that everybody's happy and then you get the best out of your photography. So the first thing I'm going to do is go back to the image and I'm going to go over to the quick selection tool, which you find the fourth tab down. 1, 2, 3, 4. If it's not highlighted, hold the mouse button down until the box opens up and you'll see quick selection tool. Now what I'm going to do is go as close to the mountain as I can and go round the scale, just gentle like this, by holding the mouse button down. And as you can see, it will select all of the bland area and cut into the mountain itself. Now I'm going to make a little bit of a change on this by going to select and modify, and from modify I'm going to go down to expand, and I've left this expanded by 2 pixels so it drops down into the mountain itself to cut into it to stop any halos or any infringement around the area itself. So I'm going to click OK on that. You won't you won't see much of a change on that by the eye, but trust me, it's done its job. Then I'm going to go straight back to select again, back down to modify, but this time I'm going to go to the bottom, which is feather, and that just feathers out the mountain scale itself from where you've expanded in to blend it in a little bit. Now on this one I'm only going to go down to a radius. You can change the radius on the pixels depending on your image itself to how much you want that infringement gone and the halo taken out. So with this, it's 1 for me for this image itself. So I'm going to click OK. Then I'm going to go over to the image that we downloaded and go to select and select all. And as you can see, the matching answer gone around the full of the frame. That's important that you do that. Go to edit and copy. Once you've gone to copy, click on your main image again, and this time back to edit, but in this time you're going down to paste special. Now you're not going to paste in place and you're not going to paste outside, you're going to go to paste into, because you're going behind the image. So it shows on the image as part of the image because obviously you're shooting and it's the sky that you're going for. So you paste that, back to edit again, free transform, grab a corner, pull it down, a corner, pull it up, and then you just maneuver it around. Now, it looks pixelized on this because it's a smaller image than mine. Shot mine on a D71 and the pixel on this is only 1000 pixels. But as soon as you click the tick, it should blend in like that. And as you can see, oops, I've done that again. I keep doing that, sorry. I need to change that. As you can see, it makes a difference on the sky, and you can just maneuver it around to where you feel that sky needs to be on the image. In this case, I'm going to leave it round about there. Just pull it down a bit so we can see the top of the sky. And that's about it. Now we have got a problem. This mountain in the background is very bright. So what I'm going to do is go over to the right hand side and flatten the image itself. Go to my burn tool. Make sure the exposure is on about 6 and just go over the edges with the mountains like that, just to blend everything in a little bit. And that's it. There's your image. All finished, all done, and quick and easy way to change your sky in Photoshop. I hope that's helped you. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye for now.